What's up, KJ Nation? It's time for a quick tip. Now, for our last video, we replaced the headlights with some LED bulbs. Loved them, absolutely loved them. So I went ahead and ordered some LED interior lights. So let's take a look at this quick tip. If you have the overhead console like we do, then you can see that these lights are very ineffectual. They don't really do a lot. So this is very specifically to the limited with this particular overhead console. If you do not have this overhead console, it's actually far more simple. You just pull on the console itself and it pops off and you can get to your bulbs. But these ones with the computers in them are not that simple. So this thing takes a number 10 Torx, and you have to move it to get this up in this little tiny hole up front, and then it comes down. Alright, this is the back side, and this bulb just pops right on out of there, and then you can just pull them apart like that. Alright, and then the new ones fit right up in there. Yeah, that's better. Let's take a look at this when it's assembled. And then just screw this right back on up in there. Perfect. Now, KJ Nation, take a look at that. I'm going to turn off the light on the camera. There we go. Look at the color of that versus that dull yellow color. God, that was disgusting. But now, you can see everything so much better in here. Holy mackerel. That is your quick tip for today. Swap those out. They were less than $1 a piece. I'm in my own machine. Yes, the real good steam.